from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Closer look at last week's election results, and a new election season already has begun. We'll have details about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Tuesday, November 14th, 2023, and it's brought to you today by Elite Treats and Eats.
And now for the news.
Last week's election were some big wins for Democrats, both statewide and locally here in Henrico County, where the Democrats in the new year will hold a 4-1 advantage on the county's Board of Supervisors and a majority on the school board. And today on HenricoCitizen.com, we take a little deeper look into the local races and how they were won. Our education reporter, Leanna Hardy, has taken that deep dive. You'll want to check out her article right now on our website. Two of the more surprising outcomes occurred on the Board of Supervisors, where in the Three-Chop District, incumbent Tommy Brannon lost to Democrat Misty Whitehead despite outspending her 10-1. And in the Tuckahoe District, where longtime Republican Supervisor Pat O'Bannon's choice to succeed her, Greg Baca, outspent his opponent 2-1, but Democrat Jody Rogish still claimed the seat. Another surprising outcome occurred in the Fairfield District school board race, a 5-candidate race where Ryan Young emerged victorious over Terrell Pollard and 3 other challengers. Pollard spent the most, just more than $28,000, but still narrowly lost to Young, who spent only about $8,700. Now, both Young and Rogish in their races appeared to have benefited from community visibilities. Both are well-known representatives of local youth sports organizations. And just as one election season wraps up, another one begins. Yesterday, Democratic Congresswoman Abigail Spanberger announced that she will forego the chance at a 4th term in the U.S. House of Representatives and instead will run for governor of Virginia. Spanberger was raised in Western Henrico. She's a graduate of Tucker High School and has represented Virginia's 7th District in Congress since 2019. That district initially included the county's western half, but redistricting moved its boundaries into Northern Virginia. Now, Spanberger will seek the Democratic nomination for the governor's seat, where she's expected to face competition from a number of candidates, including Richmond Mayor LeVar Stoney. The gubernatorial election will be held in November of 2025. On Thursday, the Henrico Planning Commission voted 4-1 to endorse a revised plan for a proposed Sheetz location across Staples Mill Road from the Amtrak station. It's the same proposal that raised opposition from neighbors at last October's commission meeting and had been deferred 3 times since then. The revised proposal includes a few changes, expanding the project to more than 10 acres and including the entire site instead of leaving about 2 acres vacant, though developer Rebke Company has indicated that it will allow future access to the currently vacant right-of-way along the northern edge of the property as needed. The project now includes as many as 14 townhomes, as well as a gas station, convenience store, and a commercial building like a restaurant. Both the Sheetz and the commercial building would have drive-throughs. Sidewalks at the entrances would link the existing sidewalk along Staples Mill Road, and the commercial building has shrunk. Henrico-based nonprofit Housing Families First, which serves families with children who are facing homelessness, has launched a new initiative to provide holiday meal kits for local families in need. HFF is now collecting holiday meal packages for families in its programs. Meal kits will include a variety of non-perishable items like instant mashed potatoes, yams, stuffing, green beans, cranberry sauce, and more. They'll also include a $40 grocery gift card for each family to purchase perishable items like turkey or ham. The organization has a goal of providing at least 55 of these kits with all the fixings so that families facing homelessness and housing instability can enjoy holiday meals together. If you'd like to help make that happen, email Julie Miller at Julie, Julie, at housingfamiliesfirst.org. Developers, home builders, and others who are planning residential, commercial, or industrial construction projects in Henrico soon will be able to use the county's website to submit plans, receive and review comments, apply for rezoning of a property, and also conduct other development-related business. The planning and development section of Build Henrico will be available beginning today. With its launch, the county is wrapping a multi-year effort to provide a web-based system for services that historically have been conducted in person and reliant upon paper transactions. The Build Henrico website launched 2 years ago with an online reporting system for zoning code enforcement and community concerns. Additional components have been added since, including a help page with training videos and documents to guide customers as they navigate features on the site. You can find the site at henrico.us/build. Elite Treats and Eats ice cream truck and owners George and Donna Williams have a passion for serving the Henrico community and having fun. Their mobile ice cream truck travels to you and takes any event or gathering to a whole new level. With more than 25 types of ice cream treats, Elite Treats and Eats is the perfect addition to any outdoor or indoor celebration year-round. To learn more or book your event today, visit EliteTreatsandEats.com or call 804-869-6397.